I have a 2010 Chevy Impala with the clicking noise in the glove box. So what it is, it's a blend door actuator is your problem. The blend door actuator, you have two in the glove box and one in the console. So you have to figure out which one it is. The one in the console is here, inside the glove box. Let's see there, there you go. See the wires? It's got two screws on it. One up top there, and one below. The one I have problems with is the one that's located to the right of the glove box, right here. And if you open your glove box up, you'll see this thing here just moving up and down, making that tapping noise. And the way you open your glove box is, once you open the glove box, you see these three tabs up here. Just push down on them a little bit, and they'll come right out. Just push up and down on it. Like I say, you see the tab there, and the tab there, they come right down. You got two bolts on this one, 5.5 millimeter. And you have a, well, this is what they look like. And you got your little tab here, and you just take it loose, and you're done. Two 5.5 millimeter screws, take it out, slide it back on the shaft, and everything's good.